Hello students, today I will teach about the urban settlements. This is the part of the human settlements. Before that I have told about the rural settlements. As you know, millions of the people migrate from rural to urban for searching of job and for better life and for better education and for security purpose and for health purpose. And day by day, the number of urban population is increasing and creating a lot of problems in front of us. Most of the cities of India, just you see, is in very pathetic condition. And government of India is trying to develop most of the city from India smart city, but the present scenario of the city is very miserable. Can't imagine. Rural settlements is the one part of the human settlement, and urban settlement is the another part of the human settlements. Now, urban settlements are generally compact and larger in size, and most of the people in urban settlements are engaged in tertiary activity, secondary activities, quaternary activities and quaternary activities. And some people are also engaged in administrative functions. Now, evolution of towns in India. Several towns flourished during Indus Valley civilization. As you know, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Lothal. These are three very developed towns during the Indus Valley civilization. Evolution of now, on the basis of evolution, Indian towns are classified into following groups. First, ancient towns, Varanasi, Prayagraj, Patliputra, Patna, and Madurai in south. These are the ancient towns. Now, medieval towns developed by Mughal emperors: Delhi, Hyderabad, Nagpur, Jaipur and Lucknow. And the modern town is also very important, and these are the part of the metropolitan cities: Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, developed by the Britishers. And the fourth category belongs to plant towns: Chandigarh, Bangalore, Jaipur, developed by the architects. Chandigarh developed by the Le Corbusier in a planned way, and each and every segment noted or marked big size of roads, sewage system, playgrounds, residential area, administrative blocks. Everything are developed in a good manners. Now, urbanization in India. Urbanization is a process. People move from rural to urban. Earlier I have told. Basically, India is the country of the rural population, but 32% of the total population are associated with the urban population. It's a big, a huge amount. Now, classification of towns on the basis of population size. There are 6 sizes on the basis of population. First, towns more than 1 lakh population. Second class, 50,000 to 99,999 towns is 20,000 to 49,999. Fourth category is 10,000 to 19,999. Fifth category is 5,000 to 9,999, and the last category is less than 5,000 towns. Second number of towns in first category is 423, second 498, third 1386, fourth 1560, fifth 1057, and last 227. Population in crore in first category 17.2 crore, second 2.4 crore, third 4.1 crore, fourth 2.6 crore, fifth 0.79 crore, and last 0.08 crore. Percentage of the total population in category first 61.48, second 12.3, third 15.0, fourth 8.8, fifth 2.8, and last 0.29. And the last growth of the population 2.312, first category, second 3.45, third 6.19, fourth 32.94, fourth 41.49, and last 21.21. Students, you will visualize this table and you will find where number of population is increasing and where population are stagnate or go ahead. Now, functional classification of towns. There are so many towns developed in India. I will give brief idea about some important towns. First, administrative towns. All state of the countries are known as the administrative towns. For example, Lucknow for UP, Patna for Bihar, Kolkata for West Bengal, Bhopal for MP, and so on. Now, industrial town, Salem, Bhilai, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Durgapur, etc. Now, transport towns, Kandla, Kochi, Haldia, Paradip. Commercial towns, Kolkata, Satna, Srinagar, Raipur. Mining towns, Jharia, Kolkata, Raniganj. Then tourist towns, Shimla, Srinagar, Ooty, Nainital, etc. Then educational town, Pilani. Then religious towns, again Ujjain, Varanasi, Gaya, etc. You will find so many types of functional towns in India. As you know, according to 2011 census, more than 50 cities of our country, the population is more than 10 lakh, and 4 major cities, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. These populations are more than 1 crore. How can you provide all amenities? This is the big question for all students. This is the concluding remarks. You will plot all metropolitan city in your outline map of India, and just in last, problems related urban settlements. First, sewage problems, crowds problem, security problems, sanitation problems, and healthy life problems. In short time, we shall try to remove all such type of problems. Once again, thanks all.